Darna ka.
I am a hero!
Okay, mo si Rasco, kitsabol din si Rasco. Ano eh?
Marina pag
Nakitawak nga.
Nene! Utang na. Tangina, hinihigop ang pusa. Ah! Saan? Yung sa gilid, Jurassic yun. What, Karen, how are you?
I'm okay, Karen.
Nasaan ka ngayon, location mo ngayon?
Nasa
Karen?
Quezon, kung saan?
Kamusta ang botohan dyan, Karen?
Well, Dayan. Okay naman.
Sino ang panalo dyan sa presidential ball?
Of course, Noynoy. Noynoy is number 1.
Pangalawa?
He got 11 million points. Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.
Nabuhay na si Rasco! Ay!
How are you? Hello? Miss Chas? Oh, wait. Why you're not, how you're feeling right now?
Yetlog, si Pada.
Ang fiesta, may handa ba?
Marami.
Kasi we are planning to check in Sogo, then to watch the Sinulog Festival.
Maraming handa, bongga.
Dessert?
Magpapalit yun daw sa LB.
Ay, kabog, abel. Oh, I remember the processing. So the ticket is already sent and the show money?
Not yet. It's on process.
Oh my God. So what's your plan? Seaside?
No,
I'm
not
happy
yet.
for that
Still
seaside.
have the money. I don't have plan. Okay?
Seaside, okay?
I don't want.
You promised to me seaside.
Maybe.
I'm so happy that, and then you buy laptop and you buy yeah, nose job, free up my drive, you know. I'll free drive for you, and then nose job to Dr. De Leon. Kala ko ang bilis mo na ano sila. Okay, promise that. Okay?
Gusto ko naman putang yun.
And then remember this nose in 30 days. I hope so. That look, here is the bone, yeah, and suddenly after 1 month you will see the change of makeover of Miss Elvie.